Today we're going to learn about cross multiplication. The product of the extremes is equal to the product of the means. What is the extremes and what is the means? If we refer to a proportion such as A over B is equal to C over D, the extremes would be AD and the means would be BC. So what we're saying is that in a proportion of A over B is equal to C over D, AD is actually equal to BC. So let's test this theory on our first problem here. Here we have A is equal to X, B is equal to 4, C is equal to 7, and D is equal to 2. If AD is equal to BC, then that would imply that X times 2, so 2X, is equal to 4 times 7, which is 28. If we divide both sides by 2, we get X is equal to 14. Is this true or not true? Let's plug in 14 for X. We'll get 14 over 4 is equal to 7 over 2. If we were to multiply 7 over 2 by 2, we indeed get 14 over 4. So yes, X is equal to 14, and thus AD is indeed equal to BC. Let's try the next problem. Y plus 2 is now going to be set to A, and 3 is equal to D. So Y plus 2 times 3 is equal to 3 times 4. So 3y plus 3 times 2 is 6 is equal to 12. Subtract 6 from both sides, we get 3y is equal to 6, and so y is equal to 2. Lastly, we have 24 over 8 is equal to 6 over z minus 4. Let's do the same thing. This time A is 24 and D is equal to z minus 4. So we're going to have 24 times z minus 4 is equal to 8 times 6. So we get 24z minus 24 times 4 is 96, and 8 times 6 is 48. So we get 24z is equal to 96 plus 48 is equal to 144. And now let's divide both sides by 24 in order to isolate the z. And we get z is equal to 6. So that's our answer.